Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So I have my new releases ready to go. Normally I would have had this filmed, I say earlier, but it's about 8:37 on Wednesday evening. I was having issues with my computer, but we're ready to go. All right, so for the September new releases, which are coming out this Friday, so tomorrow, September 8th, at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. So that is 8 a.m. Pacific, 11 a.m. Eastern. I have some new releases coming to my shop. First though, I just want to show you the freebie for the month of September. It is these beautiful pumpkins that I painted using fountain pen ink, and this is printed on white matte sticker paper. So every order received for the month of September, for the month of September, will receive this freebie. So it has the swatches, the circles, deco, as well as some icons and a script. So that is the freebie. Next, we have this first collection. So if you saw my Hobonichi cousin plan with me, you'll have seen the Maple Leaves collection. These are also hand painted by me using fountain pen ink, and I love the effect of mixing the fountain pen inks together. This is printed on clear matte, but you can buy this on white matte or clear matte, and it comes as a collection of 4, but you can purchase these sheets individually if you'd like. So we have the Maple Leaves deco sheet, the circles, and I love these decorative circles, but also I paint these out because I love the effect of the ink pooling like that. And then we have the swatches, and then the quote and washi, and I love that washi, but that's how kiss cut it is, you can see that. And then the quote, "Every leaf speaks bliss to me." So that is the Maple Leaves collection. Next we have, okay, I have to admit, I'm not normally a pumpkin spice girl, but I know many of you are, so I wanted to do a pumpkin spice latte collection. So on the deco sheet here, you've got the pumpkin spice lattes, the pumpkins, and then the cinnamon. So you've got the deco sheet here. You have the matching swatches, the matching circle, and I love that the pattern that came out kind of looks like a sweater or a blanket. And then you have the quote and washi, pumpkin spice is life, and I really like that. That's a really cute. So once again, you can order this as a collection on clear matte or white matte, or you can order these sheets individually. So that is the Pumpkin Spice Latte collection. The next one is the Watercolor Pumpkins, and I love how these turned out. I had to attempt these a couple of times to get the color right and the mixing right, but these were once again painted with fountain pen ink, and there is the deco sheet with the pumpkins and a little bit of eucalyptus. But you get 5 stickers on that deco sheet. And then you have the matching swatches. And then, ooh, the matching circles. I think these circles might be my favorite because I love that mix of green and then the way the yellow like turns into that brown. And then the quote and washi. Gourd vibes only. Corny, I know. But then the pumpkin washi. So that is the Watercolor Pumpkins collection, again available on white matte or clear matte. Then we have the painted fall trees. I didn't name this watercolor fall trees because I did watercolor through Procreate last year for the fall trees, but these ones are actually painted using fountain pen ink once again. And you can see just the way that the fountain pen ink mixed and blended together gets these really, really beautiful combinations. And that's why I love painting with fountain pen ink. So you have the deco sheet, you have the swatches. I love the way that this came out. Now, when I first painted it, it came out more like a dark teal, but once I printed it, like this blue is gorgeous, really gorgeous. And those are the circles. And then lastly, the quote and washi. So you get miniature deco, and it's like a forest of fall leaves. Look at that. And then I fall, but always rise again. Really like that. So that is the Painted Fall Trees collection. And then lastly, I wanted to do something a little bit more fun, and these were done on Procreate. This is the Fall Vibes collection. So you've got a vase of fall florals, you've got a comfy sweater, and then you've got, you know, either cups of tea or coffee, whatever you'd like. But also I use these florals throughout, so you have those same florals in the sweater and in the cup, and then just a few of the decorative pieces there. So that is the Fall Vibes deco sheet. And then the matching swatches, the circles, and then the quote and washi. I mean, like, how cute are those washi? Really, really cute. And then you get the mini deco and fall into September. I love this color scheme, the brown and pink. It's very neutral, but also just very comforting. So this is the Fall Vibes collection. I've also added a couple of new vinyl stickers. So I will have the Oh Hell to the No, and this was created a couple of years ago as a sticker sheet, but now it is a vinyl, and like, it's huge. And then I also have Crappity Crap created as a vinyl. Really cute, actually. And then I have restocked the I Came, I Saw, and Made It Awkward. So those will also be available in the shop as of Friday, September 8th. So here are all the collections that will be available as of this Friday, September 8th. So you have the Maple Leaves collection, the Pumpkin Spice Latte collection, the Watercolor Pumpkins, and then the Painted Fall Trees, as well as Fall Vibes. And then I also have the 2 new vinyl stickers, the Oh Hell to the No, Crappity Crap, and then the freebie that is available for all orders in September. So this collection is being released on Friday, September 8th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time, and you can use the code FALLVIBES15 from Friday, September 8th until 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, September 10th. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I really like the way that this looks. Like, all of the colors are just very fall, but also they're not the same. Like, they all have just slightly different tones, and I really like the way that just this whole month, the vibe of fall. Once again, that is it for me. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And thank you guys again so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.